Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about how to create a leaderboard for our Unity project. So we have a sample scene here. So first we have to create a canvas text mesh pro. Okay, so go to the scene, 2D, canvas and text mesh pro. Two. First we have to create a title, leaderboard, and in canvas to make sure it is responsible across all screen, please choose the default screen and 0.5 so it will auto adjust. Okay, leaderboard. Next we have to again create next text mesh pro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So create a new empty game object called names. So these 5 will be put in names folder, and again create a new, we name it called as scores, because leaderboard is all about names and scores. So we have created it. So next push it here once here. So this is the leaderboard, and these are the 5 names will be displayed and their concurrent scores will be here. And the next step is we have created names and scores, and next we are going to create input field because we have to make player right. So 2 this is input field for writing their name, and we have to create a button. Okay, create a drop down. We have to create a button. So what we are going to do is, I will say it in a simple way. This is the leaderboard scene. Players will enter their score and here they will tap it. Since this is online method, we have to send the request, right? So players will write, here will request, the name will be returned in the names folder and the score will be tied to here. We have to create this leaderboard creator which is in itch.io. It is in a link in description. So this is the package. Unity download package. Either you can donate or you can just take me to downloads. Then we have to create plus demo scene. You have to click download. We have to import it. Okay, we have imported it. And so next we are going to create a script. So that is the home package, and next we are going to call script. In script, click create monoscript behavior leaderboard script and double click it. So it is compiling, double click it, it will. Guys, this is the script, I will explain it. We have to import Unity engine system.collection.generic tm pro. We are using text mesh pro, and dan.main is the package we installed. So we are going to create a leaderboard manager. So first we have to create serialized private list text mesh pro for names and scores, and this is the loading text which is a purely optional loading text, because since we are getting the data from the online, so it will take some time, right? So we are saying the player, it will take some time. We are getting the data like how we see in online games, and this is the public. And so it begins from void start. So here get leaderboard script and public void get leaderboard. So first we are showing the loading text. So guys, this script is not available anywhere in the YouTube video because this is a custom, and a default script only they will be given. This is the custom script I am giving for optimized look. I even used it in my mobile game called Project 12 Seconds, which is the game link is in description. So we are first calling the text mesh pro, saying first we have to get that loading text, loading leaderboard, and next leader creator get leaderboard is the definition, like we are calling from the main era, and this is the message we are getting from them. So first we are creating a loop for I is equal to 0, names count, I is equal to message length. We are getting the names and the scores, and we have to hide the loading text after the data loads. That is, after we get the names and scores from the leaderboard, we are hiding it. So after that, set leaderboard empty. We are creating username contains inappropriate. This is profanity username. That is, since leaderboard will be in online and many player will be there. If your game is under 18, most of the mobile games or PC games, normal games with leaderboard means it is a FPS and it will be under 18 plus. So if these languages will be like profanity languages will be available. But if this profanity is available for under 18, your game will be rejected by multiple stores. So I created this like check condition. I cannot see the function name or the words I've used because it is profanity words. But we are calling it. Only the appropriate names will be available here. And next we are contains bad words. We are checking whether it contains a bad words or not. And after that we are getting our grade. Go to the description link I gave you for so run creator. It will take some time to load because this is a pure online HTML script. After this create new game board. Click a name for it. For me such demo, and you can see the public key, right? Paste it. As of now completed, guys. This script is as of now completed. So guys, next create a new empty board for leaderboard manager. Leaderboard manager, and assign the script here. We can see the names and the scores, and we have the public key here. So before we get it, let's just lock it, okay? And click this file and drop it. That's all. And for scores, press this file and drop it. Next, take this. After that, click the leaderboard manager. We have a loading text. So we have to create that also for right. So click the canvas, UI, text mask pro. This is for the loading text. Actually, we are going to get loading. I'm just simply writing, but we have already defined it, so no problem, even if you just left it back. So as of now, the leaderboard manager script is there. And next, we are going to call the leaderboard manager. That is, we are going to connect this board to our online next. Next, we are going to create a new script called score manager. Click it and open it. It is loading. Next, we have to open it. This is the score manager script. First, we are creating a UI references, which is for the name input field and score text. Next, we are going to create an event that is on submitting the score. It will connect to online and you will get the score also. And the increased score will be, that is, we have already some score, right? For example, the high score will be 8. But if you again click the score, if your score is increased, it will also automatically update it. And submit score is actually to submit the score. And we have also for debug logging, because if the score is 70 or if the player name is 70 also, right? So we are going to get the player name score and the update score. You have to note this. This is the default score manager script. So what you have to do is exactly is right. You have to click this like we are going to get player name and score, right? Here you have to connect to your own score manager. That is, you have some scores, right? Scores, players name, etc., right? You have to modify this area alone. Excel, all other script are same. This two things alone we have to change it to your high score manager. This is a sample script. I'm going to connect the score manager script, which is the input field and the score text. Okay, this is a sample score script. Let's click the right click again. Script. Here submit script. So here you can see we have to click the right click button here, leaderboard manager, and set leaderboard entry. Then press the play button. I have a default score of 10. Here we can write the demo and press the button. You can see demo and score 10 has been there. So now we stop here and go to our script and change the score to 20 because we have to dynamically update, right? So again, go to our scene. The script is loading. Again, press the play button. You can see loading and the demo and the 10 is there. Again, click the demo, press the button. You can see it will take some time because it is online. You can see the demo and the 20 is there. And that's all, guys. You can get the script from link in description. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.